Good morning, you guys, and welcome to the vlog. So today is going to be a day in the life of vlog, and yeah, I'm excited. I've been giving you guys the update on my new job experience. So it's looking like now it is not as it would usually get bigger and more bulbousy. But because I've been putting the tea tree oil in it and I squeeze it, I put it on Q-tips and I squeeze it together. Because what I wanted is pop the skin and make the tea tree oil go into the cut. But it hasn't been working because the skin looks thin. But I think the disease or whatever makes it thick. Because when I go to push it, it's like the razor just sliding on top like cardboard. Would I put razor upon cardboard? It had that kind of something there. So there's like something more. So it's not a regular, it's not a water bomb. Basically so yeah, so I have to eat something. So I'm going to have toast bread, foreign call it toast, Jamaica was a toast bread, and coffee. I have not had mama coffee in a hot minute, baby. I've been making my coffee. But this is mama coffee. So I woke up at 4 AM this morning. I wanted to go back to sleep. I wasn't working. I was going to post just to keep myself distracted until I fall asleep. I started posting and got inspired, like, okay, I want to do my makeup now. I start my day. I'm like, it's still 5 AM. So I'm just start, you know, upload stuff. I'm set up from last night. Move the filming area. So I'm going to record. Fun fact, most times I do my makeup, then I bathe. Like, no, I go do my makeup, then I go and bathe. Sometimes I do my lips, brush my teeth, not with gloss though, like with a matte lipping, brush my teeth. I do that. I'm that girl. If you're watching this and you're new to my channel, thank you so much for finding me. And I'm trying to get my channel. I still have 233,000, right? It keeps going down. So what I'm asking you guys to do is, if you're watching this for the first time, or just watching back my video from a taller time, what more I do, unsubscribe right now, refresh, and then resubscribe. Yeah, I want to do much of video. Yeah. I noticed that because of that, there's some consistency that's been happening on the back end. So I'll continue to ask you guys to do this for every single video. Please don't get annoyed, please. Because I recognize that I do have new people watching me every single video. I put up people who just don't know nothing about me. It's me, and that's a little ignorant for me to not take into consideration. And everybody will know me, watch me know me. Come on, change. A little bit left, well, not much left. After this, I'm gonna find something for watch on the internet, because I'll be filming a full look, no talking. Yeah, but I may include, you know what, I'm going to include the day as it goes. I'm going to include the day as it goes. So how it starts, because I would normally like interchange the video clipping, so the video looks interesting and not really structured. It looks kind of like a nice little mess, you know. So just to kind of break up the monotony of the clips, that's what I do. But for today, I want it to be how it is. So I'm going to be recording longer videos now. I've been talking for like 4 minutes. I have to make mention because I want you guys to get used to me doing this now. When you see a clip, it's gonna be like 4 to 7 minutes. That way it's easier for me, because remember I told you I have to upload to YouTube from this device and then go on my MacBook, my sexy MacBook. I put all the way. Sorry. And download it back to the laptop and edit it. Why? Because the music I use is on the laptop and not on this device. I can't get the music on this device using my videos. They're only on the laptop because I downloaded them on my laptop. I've been using Mac for over 12 years. What do you want from me? Y'all acting like I should tell Samsung thank you for what? A door catch. is a door catch. It's a glorified door catch. I'm for charge my door catch. So my door catch case, yeah. And I hate these. Samsung cases are so cheap. Every single Samsung case I've ever seen in my life does this. Every single. Is it the phone done cheap already? When I can just buy a good case, I am roasting the shit out of Samsung like Apple pay me. Me I cause them do something specific like them WhatsApp me I say, hey you girl. So me I go for Samsung. Why? Because it's inhibiting me. And it's kind of funny because I'm so genuinely frustrated. I get little quips and like retorts that they come to me naturally because I'm so naturally annoyed. And it's door catch. That's disrespectful. I would never want nobody call pull me a door catch. I would feel so bad if somebody call pull me door catch, but that would mean that pull me not working. Pull me works. This always apps crash like crazy, bro. How do you Samsung people, y'all gotta be honest with me now. Do you really like this phone? I really think y'all are shooting me. I think you guys just don't like Apple because Apple is. Do you guys want me to do a video on Samsung and Apple? Because for how hard I go on Apple, you'd never guess what my stance is on Apple and technology in general. Because I'm of the full belief that one person owns everything. Like Android and Apple, one man make these billions of dollars and then them have to sub people. Because that has been the formula for years. One man own everything and then they make other people feel like say. It has been the formula for that's what school teaches. That formula, that mindset, that way to win. Anyway, baby. Welcome to the vlog. Put it I'm back now. I have back pain. The period soon starting now. So, body. Take no, make it stay down. Don't lift it up. Me lift it up if it needs to lift up. Put it down. Alright, you write it this up and right it, so yeah. We're going to wear today black shoes. I put some more tea tree oil on the sitting on garlic.
In my mind, there's only one way this goes. It's only one option. I gotta win. Yeah. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and composed. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and composed. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with gold. Ooh, you can tell we ain't the same. They came just for trophies. I got impact on my.
Oh gosh. Alright, so my lip looks weird because I just put tea tree oil on it and I squeeze and anyway, moving on. So I'm going to so this is what I'm going to do to my hair. My pink Eco Styler gel that I use, Gorilla Glue that I use, these two thingies that I use, and then I might use this. Not quite sure. So oh gosh, I never wipe out my ear. Watch it. Oh, that's so gross. I was gonna wipe my hair out. So I'm gonna use the pink Eco Styler now. And remember, I don't generally have a rhyme or reason for when I do my hair thingies. So I just like do what I know how to do, which may not translate good on camera to you guys, but this is what I do. I should have really combed that out. It just doesn't look cool. Ew, it just look white and gross. Alright, so this is the part where I don't know if I'll be able to talk and where you guys just gonna have to watch, because yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. So Okay, I'm gonna play music now. I'm sorry.
You know this goes so much deeper, but I'm not the one to blame. I'm the type to keep on pushing, all my losses turn to gains. Hold up, legacy over accolades, no price on my mindset. Came in as a prospect, I'ma leave with the whole contest. Seen this in my head, got me feeling like a prophet. I outworked all my peers, that's trust in my process. Hold up. Hey, welcome my winners, I'm being a host. I'm hard and hustle from head to my toes. When it comes to work, watch them turning to ghosts. Boom. Yeah, they like to come up and run from the struggle. We hit the floor and they blowing the trumpet. I'm packing the punch like it's part of my luggage. You don't want no problems, don't tell me what I can't do. Better yet, just go ahead, I hit every time I aim to. I'm always on new levels, it's my time, I ain't through. It's hard work and late nights to be that one. Ooh. I'ma leave with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I leave with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I leave with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I leave with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma leave with go. Hey, I'm my only competition. Seeing my reflection, looking through my opposition. Crucify my weakness, force myself into submission. Put my back against the wall and we gon' see who gets the flinching. And I don't believe in limits. What else I gotta tell you? It's uncommon repetition. And I know it ain't fair. Saw the end before beginning. Had this game already finished. For the clock hit single digits, yeah. I'ma leave with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I leave with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I leave with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I leave with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma leave with go.
I'm the baddest man alive. I only hate to believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your clothes, and he's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm the bad man. Ain't nothing special, I'm just a rebel. Looking bezeled, you boys is looking disheveled. Out of Nashville, that's Tennessee. I'm swinging fast, you gon' be thinking it's 10 of me. Don't want me as your enemy, I'll bury your name. Was buddy in these streets, now you forgot about the game. You got egg on your face like you ate a souffle. Now I'ma knock your top off like it's Trump's toupee. Now slow down, your rhymes are ass chomp. I know you gassed up, but I bet your finger wouldn't touch the trigger on a gas pump. Mask up, came down, mic is sick, throw your hood. I fucking carry game like I'm Underwood, it's understood. Laid back with your girl, we on that days of play. One hitter, now you're on fire like I'm Johnny Blaze. Yeah, I'm Ghost Rider with a pen and stare. I'm one step ahead, I'm dancing on them like I'm Fred Astaire. Cause I'm the baddest man alive. I only hate to believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your clothes, and he's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm the bad man.
I got in mindset, throwing the concert just to see all of your faces. Dropping your jaws and throwing your arms and falling convulsing and shaking. Fuck if you die, the king is a rap. Here with the purpose to surface these rappers is rapping this rap shit. I murder a cat on the track and they hand him his purse. Return to the rapper, hit a rap shit up on these plastic ass cats. Don't even write raps, just ass. Spit it on a track, rolled up another platinum plaque, burning a mask, fuck that. You wanna act and act, get on the screen, do your thing, let it fail, you die off. I am the king, fuck everybody else, I'm on that be that. Return to the writer, scribble out of shit to the page catch fire. Call me a liar, spark it in the dark and let it burn. And you can call me inspired, heart of a lion. In the sense that my heart will jump out of my chest, eat you alive, beat you to death, tear it all apart, feast on the flesh and do it all without even trying. This is a statement, I have been patient, this is a track for the ages. Solo and Dre went in and created something that's hot for the placements. Goddamn it. on top and we've been killing it. It's all like we've been on top and we've been killing it. We can't stop, we've been on top and they've been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we've been killing it. We've been killing it. I come on in with the drum hammers, watch little kids all around stammer. I'm saying, kid, better watch your manners. Grown men are talking, put your hands up. If you stay up on top of your stuff like this, on a business, God, can I get a witness? No pretension, just a man on a mission to sit on a throne. Success is my riches. Let the skies just rain and gold. Let the heat find those it's cold. Let the newcomer take me on and watch this stuff explode. I'm talking, let the skies accept my rise. Let the world see through my own eyes and watch while I light this stuff jump fire. Watch us as we ride. We've been on top and we've been killing it. It's all like we've been on top and we've been killing it. We can't stop, we've been on top and they've been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we've been killing it. We've been killing it. I hear the beat, they screaming out like they all need this. I'm talking a return similar to Jesus. I turn this water into money, y'all. Can you see this? All on tap, this don't stop. Money in abundance, it's on lack. Wine in the cellar, got cash in the dresser. Grown man never stressed cause of what we got. Like let the grounds just grow up green. Let the songs find those insane. Let the front come and take the king and kill them on these things. I'm talking, let the skies accept my rise. Let the world see through my own eyes and watch while I light this stuff jump fire. Watch us as we ride. On top and we've been killing it. It's all like we've been on top and we've been killing it. We can't stop, we've been on top and they've been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we've been killing it. We've been killing it. We've been on top and we've been killing it. It's all like we've been on top and we've been killing it. We can't stop, we've been on top and they've been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we've been killing it. We've been killing it. The best in the game. J-Rob MD, Trey Houston.
Time coming, but I'm here. I was drifting, now I'm shifting gears. Now I gotta wait a lifetime. Right now, this is my time. This is gonna be my year. I was gone a minute, now I'm back. Busy changing, breaking from the pack. Now waiting on a chance. I'm making my own plans. The world's gonna have to deal with that. Go and tell them that I'm had enough. Time's up. Go and tell them I'm. 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 the pack, now I'm in first place. Used to dream about this life, now I see it in my face. Hard work pays off, gotta go, gotta get it. Eyes on the prize, never worry about the critics. I didn't put it on my time, put it on my work. Made it through the storm, yeah, we came up from the dirt. It's go time, show 'em what I got. Long time coming, this time won't stop. From the crowd, I'ma stand out, no handouts. Taking on the world, so look at me now. This is just the beginning, progress still growing. They said I couldn't do it, so I guess I gotta show them. Now I feel unstoppable, now I'm feeling good. Look at how I'm winning, and they didn't think I would, but I didn't hold back, and the odds were all stacked. Now I'm playing this song, and I tell them I'm back. Go and tell them that the past is done. Start running. Go and tell them I'm back. 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 Yeah.
Smoke up, gas in the blem. Free up the guys, then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride, then burn out the rims. Don't stop, don't clutch the button. Never in the block with the yacht for events. Skin kept close to the button on them with the tips on 10. Back in the back, that's on tap. Ready to go and jump out. Right side, it came. Kicks on and I'm good. Pitched up on my own. Right side it came back. This lifestyle had me wrong. Woke up and then I kicked up. I turned ghost on them, I'm gone. Kicks on and I'm gone. Head missed and I dipped and shit. Clock that, it got long. Smoke up, that's in the blem. Free up the guys, then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride, then burn out the rims. Don't stop, watch the in. Never in the block with the yacht for events. Skin kept close to the button on them with the tips on 10. Back in the back, that's on tap. Ready to go and jump in. Right side, king. Right side, it came. Right side, it came.
I've been up since like 3 a.m. I don't hear the hate, what y'all say ain't in. All I know is go, all I know is grind. I'm on your head, all I know is climb. Just know I'm different. If I see the target, just know I'm gon' hit it. I don't know the fake, just know I live it. Anything I say, just know I'm in it. I know the ops and they lightweight. I'm in the zone and I might stay. Yeah, I'm on in the right way. Check the scoreboard, look what I play. They say sky the limit, that's too low for us. We showing up in the nosebleeds of the galaxy. When you think of great, look, it's actually me. Yeah, it's actually me. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us.
Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. I've been this rough since a boom. I'll take the man to the tomb. Yeah. Now they all ask what I'm doing. Well, you see it soon. Say that they know what to do. Say I should listen to you. Yeah. Y'all don't know what I've been doing. Trust me, you don't got a clue. Take the top to my front door. Only fiends coming through the bag. Got my problems, I want more. Lead the past up in the past. The way I'm moving need a hard pass. All class with a book bag. In the night with that all black. Hang it up, then no call back. Yeah, I got time and it's all on my mind, so I tell them I'ma let it out. Yeah, and I got guap, but you know I can't stop, so I tell them I'ma dead it now. Yeah, I got green and I gotta switch cheese, but I'm looking for the cheddar now. That shit was all bad, now I'm coming to get last, and this year's looking better now. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them that. 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 Yeah. Tell them that. 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 Ay. How long was I gone for? Pop more than some popcorn. Gotta drive, can't stop for. All the talk, there's no time for it. Blowing up like Lampore. Crowd wanting that encore. Tom Ford is what I wore, and I made a day what I bought it for. Now the speaker's so fluent. I'm at the block like I'm Ewing. Yeah, they wanna keep me so stagnant. I make it hit, keep it moving. Up in the morning, I'm brewing. They going nowhere, I knew it. They tryna keep me from making it. I swear they looking so Judas. Feel like Messi with the goals. Will I make it? I don't know. Time is running out the back door. Pray to God to open doors. Couple bands for the shows. Hey, making money off the flows. Yeah, I just had to go show y'all. Gotta keep 'em on their toes. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them that. 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 Yeah. Tell them that. 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 Hey, it's 2018. Yeah, come on, tell them that.
AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. AirPods in, small talk's cheap. Now I wanna kill the vibe. AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. AirPods in, small talk's cheap. But now I wanna kill the vibe.
Yeah, I gotta protect my inner peace. Not everything will deserve my energy. I'm a Steve Jobs, yeah, I think differently. I block out noise and all decoys that limit me. Yes, and I'm fresh out the Apple store, the bag secured. I just put my AirPods on. I need time to recline. Be with my own thoughts. Pulling from deep down and into my own vault. I find beauty in the melodies, color in the harmonies. Life is like an odyssey. Don't wanna be rude if I'm vibing, don't you bother me. Music is medicine, and this is cardiology. Yes.
AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. But now I wanna kill the vibe. AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. AirPods in, small talk's cheap. But now I wanna kill the vibe. AirPods on, can you feel the beat? AirPods on, can you now I wanna kill the vibe.
Just broke up with the radio. Had to unplug from the stereo. Now we got the vibe everywhere we go. Turn it up high, it's incredible. Old school, slow jams, two-step, or just my day. Just like Janet, maybe Aaliyah. If I ain't got you, call me Alicia. And I see colors could fly. West Coast feeling like summer tonight. Joy unspeakable, I'm in a vibe. Wanna have a good time.
AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. AirPods in, small talk's cheap. Now I wanna kill the vibe. AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. AirPods Deposit, small talk is cheap.
And I don't wanna kill the vibe.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah.
The game is strategic, I'm bobbing and weaving. Don't argue with demons, okay? Ain't nothing between us, vacation on Venus. I mean it, I'm somewhere you ain't, okay? I feel like I'm Jordan when I turn the mic on a dangerous cycle. I make you a rival, I pray for the title. We making the finals, I pray we don't spiral, I pray we don't. I wrote out the vision, been focusing, winning. Don't try to guess me, you know that we driven. Nothing get past me, you know we ain't slipping. The team is on 10 men, I promise we different. Scotty and Dennis, we killing opponents. This ain't what you wanted, no way. Yeah, I know it ain't fair, we just taking it there. Hope it's coming through clear.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Double take or a second look, bruh. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Ain't no wonder why I got them shook.
Life is what you make it. Days like this, yeah, I swear that I would pay for. I got time, but I'm always moving too fast. So this summer, man, I swear I'm about to lay back. This summer, man, I'm cooling on the low. I don't want no pressure, want no smoke. I just wanna chill up at the house and somehow still get money cause I'm broke. Talk about the life I live. I just wanna play my jams. I just wanna hold you close. Shout my praise like ooh. Bring out the vibes like this. Days like every night. Lay out on the beach. Man, I love my life. Sing my songs for you. Life moves way too fast. One day I'ma be in LA with my boys out back. Telling stories about how we would always act a fool. But we really about that work, man, it feels so good. Ay, life is what you make it. Days like this, yeah, I swear that I would pay for. I got time, but I'm always moving too fast. So this summer, man, I swear I'm about to lay back. Life is what you make it. Days like this, yeah, I swear that I would pay for. I got time, but I'm always moving too fast. So this summer, man, I swear I'm about to lay back. I just wanna go. Chill, relax, ay, chill, relax, yeah, chill, relax, ay, life is what you make it, ay, chill, relax, ay, chill, relax, ay, chill, relax, life is what you make it. Days like this, I would pay for. I got time, but I'm always moving too fast. So the summer, man, I swear I'm about to lay back.
I just pull up in that drop top. You know I've been getting guap guap. Yo, man, girly, she a thot thot. Cash, I get a lot. What I got you so not. Yeah, you so not. Yeah, you so not. I just pull up shining, all these diamonds on me glisten. I got perfect timing, if you whining, I won't listen. Running like a boss, so I don't need your permission. Gucci on my lenses, now I got the perfect vision. Golden sacks, I'm spending now, my man, I got him tripping. Buy me Fendi, buy me Dior, buy me everything I'm wishing. He won't listen and I'm dipping, yeah, you know, no, I got options. That's a no-no if you plotting, we on go-go, so we popping. You cannot doubt it, just read all about it in front of the papers. I run up the paper, spending it all, say nothing for later. You lower level, I'm up in the majors. I feel like a so not. Yeah, you so not. Foreign car, yeah, they made it in Italy. Pulling up so nobody missing me. Don't care what you haters thinking. Cash on deck, your paper sinking. I got all this flavor dripping, diamonds shining, make them glisten. I got the sauce, feel like a boss. I'm at a loss for words. Fly like the birds, or riding I swerve, taking the curve. So hot like the stovetop. Ice all on me, froze watch. Ballin' like I globetrot. I'm on go like no stops. Cash, I get a whole lot. Yeah, that's a lot in my drop top. You know I been getting guap. Yo, man, girly, she a thot. Cash, I get a lot. What I got you so not. Yeah, you so not. Yeah, you so not. I'm so hot, got you so not in my drop top. Ay, look at the cash in my drop top. Ay, she a thot. Look at me, oh, you so not. Look at me, ow. Look at me, ow. Yeah, you so not. She a thot.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah, we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour all day. Me and my bees go sour. Looking good in PJs, that's my superpower. Growing out all my hair, working on my self-care. This time we got rare, I'ma do it up with flair. Cause what a time to be alive. We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite. But when this thing is over, we gon' get low.
Guys, film some content for Instagram. I really should have changed. I'm a little bit of breath. Out of breath. Fun fact, when I'm taking pictures, I suck the shit in out of my belly, honey. And that leaves a bitch breathless. Yeah, I ain't got no breath left. Oh, I'm about 2 hours late from my own imaginary appointment. Either way, I'ma head out now. I mean, I sweat. Sweating. Oh man. Dang it. I did a little thing to my hair. I've been trying to find like random accoutrements for me to put in my hair. So hopefully I can find somewhere where I can put some random accoutrements in my hair. Because I like when my hair looks haphazard, like that messy rasta look. That's the look I tend to go for. I love this. It's nice. That's so cute. That's like a picture. Hold on, Fanny. Let me put you here. Let me close the window. There we go. The window is closed. Whew. Carrying my mask. I'm severely out of breath. Like a bitch was jogging or some shit. Okay, so let me put y'all down. I'm gonna kind of pack up. I have a lot of belts in my bag. I have a lot of belts in my bag, give thanks. Alcohol. I'm gonna drop off this on my friend. You know. Then she gonna meet in a Kingston. Alcohol marks. I'm gonna put my marks right there. So. My purse. Oh crap, I need to hang up. I need to stop this recording. I need to call the InDrive. I'm gonna probably just walk out this, you know. Oh, let me see if I have. Come on, always take out my alright 3 bills. I'm having next marks. Alright, so that's good. carrying my lash. I always carry it just in case I'm have to move my lashes. Yo, my anxiety is going crazy, you guys. That's crazy. My heart beating really fast, and I thought it was because I was taking pictures. Nah, bitch. For some reason, I'm nervous. Wow. I hope I don't get emotional. Jesus Christ. I feel it, you know? Alright. I'm not carrying my laptop. It can't hold. Oh my God. I left my deodorant. Don't judge me. All y'all do is just sit and judge, bitch. Sit and judge, bitch. Sit and judge, bitch. Sit and judge, bitch. That's what you do. Just sit and judge, bitch. Damn. Holy Spirit, I'm so nervous. I'm about to cry. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. God. Alright, post office. Post office. Portmore. A girl ordered online, but she is in Portmore, so I'm going to deliver to her today. So I'm gonna meet up with her, so I no longer have to ship hers. I have a couple Portmore orders that I'm just going to meet up with today. Oh, I should take this off the bed because the boys are going to be coming up. Oh, yeah. I was going to wait, but let me just tidy up from now, so that it's one less thing for me to do when I come home. So that when I come home, I just come home and I relax, rather than having to tidy up.
Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah, we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting to with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then.
Until we back in action, I'm posted like I'm in traffic. It's tragic the way they trick them, terrifically working magic. Finally ain't no traffic, a break from chemical plastics. Burning buds to the ashes, we virtually getting blasted. Bow.
Cause what a time to be alive.
My digger.
We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite.
Okay.
But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah, we be getting it in.
Alright guys, all done, so let's go. Alright. Blood cleanse, my drop this on my friend yard. I just remember. Oh no. Go on, daddy. Drops to go on blood. No, to post drugs, sir. You see the reverse, like, you know, like you have a girl for the first time, and she manga, but you love the back shot, but she manga. I saw my reverse. Like, him give a manga girl back shot. I don't like that. You're the madman that talk to me. I know some more stuff and talk to him. That's my busy. It's just through, so I'm busy. I think my boobs are falling out. Yep, they are. Them long, you know, flip-flops. I don't like when I laugh off of me. I'm see one comment in my mind when I make up in my head. I'm see a funny comment. I'm going to say it like somebody commented. So somebody comment said, oh, come my head so big. I'm going to say that no fear. Oh, you have to mention my head and my eyebrow looks so good. She said, I am sorry, I just couldn't help it. She said, never that my mean for type. If you mean for type your eyebrow, but your head so big, my mind just type head. Yeah, I'm going to try walk. Alrighty. I think that girl know me as a lyric. You see, this is really weird. You see how I am? So it's a God enough. If you bounce in the manab, blood cleanse moving now. Look, I forget lick down by one little boy up on bicycle. Ah, shit, this sun is no joke, bitch. Why did I decide to walk? I'm not a fat person anymore. It's just the mentality of a hustler. You gotta walk or take bus. Cause I'm not telling no lie. Honestly, it feel kinda good. I know what say. I might something that me I walk with and I say. And for no say people, I buy them from me. You know what I mean? You feel good, right? I'm gonna drop off on my friend yard. I'm gonna ask her if she down today. She said no, must show up on the veranda. I'm just done. And if I want me to get gear fitness, I make just launch. She one of my help friend then. And all my ill girl them always get built. Anytime one new style drop, believe me, a ill girl I get built. So yeah, I can start back, not the hill but the gym, because I want to build muscle. So blood cleanse. I wonder if I can stop by the gym today. There's a cheap gym in Portmore up a Pathfinder, but I want to check out because it's cheap, must be $3 or $5 grand a month, and all I need is weights. Shit, man. Oh yeah, the white one. This is the white one. Yeah, the white building we spoke about. Anti-money. Thank you. BRB. Auntie Monique. Yeah, there, man. Oh, down there. Thank you so much. Hey, I'm walking, you know. I use side door and I'm not a side chick. But like that for me, I should have automatically use a wife door, the main door. Or maybe it's the hidden door. Maybe I don't use one door. I hope they don't think I'm weird. I have no face mask. I shall be going to prison. What's this? Hi. I'm here to Auntie Monique. I have some packages for her. Should I call her? Okay, sure. Thank you.
Feeling like I should. I'm all good. I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good. I'm all good. Feeling like I should. I'm all good. I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good. I'm good.
I feel like I ain't never felt before. I was locked up in my head, but I ain't got to fret no more. Like Kobe in his prime, I rep that 24. 7 days a week, we put up points, who's even keeping the score? Let's run it back. Got it crazy where we at. Let me be me, let me rap. Rep that vision, it's a different map. Whip it down the less paved, singing on a different track. They know it's a different path. It's like a dream, so let me never wake up. I was so hung up on myself, just like a stick in the mud. A little time, a little patience when I got tired of waiting. Then I found that gem within me sticking out of the mud. And they gon' ask me why I do it, I'ma say this because we gon' be the best on earth, just like we be at Emrus. Pass behind me like a book bag, hanging down a coat rag. Focused on the future, not that coulda, shoulda, would have.
Feeling like I should. I'm all good. I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good. I'm all good. Feeling like I should. I'm all good. I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good. I'm
It's like this, look. I feel this like I should, this that new me. I ain't really tripping if you hate it, you consume me. Moving so smooth, so easy, like a layup. Riding.
It's not regular, like, yeah. Which link? For the lashes or for the ear? Which one? No, man, I'm used to the lashes. Yeah. Me too. Oh no, 4 years. But maybe no one man. Something wrong with the fucking one man.
But this one thing, somebody when they can't find him.
Boy, them hard to find, man. Nah, like that. So you have to wait and make them find. Just go and be yourself, my love. Cause me, nah, she.
What am I gonna do?
Just go and do you. Baby, you have children though. So I get, yeah man, I have one of my own lashes.
Try to ride on the told job police home.
You know, so when I go dead, come in, I give up easy, you know.
Come on. Because you know, I joke, some of you can receive it's alright now, good. How many come month in September?
December.
Yo, you're my dancer.
December, my born. I like yeah man, how much money I have?
How much money I have?
Well, I really hate this. Come out some nose and can get one. This is another my boots right now. We're not just sitting there. Well, you can cut it down. Take my number. Take my number. Yeah, take my number. Yeah.
I'm a certificate now, receipts. Can get peer reviewed. So I'm the receipt back.
8324 something. Nice girl. Yeah.
Nice girl.
Why you think why you save my name as nice girl in your phone? What you name? Yeah man, I'll come up back Thursday. Can I ship again Thursday? So I ship every Tuesday and Thursday I ship. Come I have my boys go to school in the day, so I can't ship and my ship when we're gonna have them times. Yeah. Alright then. Alright, so now I'm heading into Kingston. I hope my makeup looks good. I know it was looking like shit this morning. Sometimes it just doesn't have that look when I put it on. I look good to you guys, but I know it's supposed to look like and it looks like shit. One dude, you freak. I drink milk last night and I shouldn't drink no milk. I'm not some lactose intolerable. I'm gonna drink the milk, my love. Cookies and milk like me a white foreign girl. Cookies and blood cleanse milk. What the shit drinks cookies and milk in Jamaica? Cookie and soda, cookie and water. Don't drink cookies and milk. Or else my lactose intoleration. I said I take the man care, I cut out my front and not going in there. I wish a nigga would. 20? I don't know. No, thank God. Oh no, my cuss started a while ago. Shit. Thank God. Him never beat me. 20? Okay. No, say mall me I go. As long as I go mall, I can come off, you know. I call Ricky now, see if anybody there at the place. Mall? You have a put more mall? So when I take in a taxi, I do not say good evening. I don't engage in pleasantries. Either the driver is too chatty, the passengers are too chatty, and because of how I am, I engage and I end up being depleted or I feel exposed after the conversation, so I don't like it. Alright guys, I'm now on taxi. Me alone so far. In the taxi. So where with my face looks like shit. It's oiling up here so effing badly and I can't do nothing until I get to the shipping company. So I'm going to collect my package. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. I have an epic package from Shades by Gal. Bitches! Y'all ain't even ready, bitch. You don't think I'm gonna say makeup cha-cha yet? I'm saying I'm gonna say makeup cha-cha yet? Good afternoon. Hi. Thank you. Thanks. I realize that in making these daily vlogs, you guys are getting really deep and personal in my life. I don't think I've ever shared that I don't like doing pleasantries. That's because it really does deplete my energy because of how I am. I like to engage. I like when people feel strengthened and refreshed after my conversations. And I am oftentimes very depleted and I have a very long day. It's a choice. I'm not mean. I am just scared. 1, 2, I do have 2 sides. So if you come at me wrong, I will respond. And I don't know which side it's going to be. So I just choose to be silent. For me personally, but then if it goes out, it's a good thing we never say no. In most of the man full the car, 2 at the back, 3 at the middle and 1 at the front along with the driver. It's a 7-seater, so drive the friggin' car and door and drive. So I come out and start cuss as I would normally do. Because before me start cussing, I never tell this. 2 other people come out of the car and me still sit down. Come I say I'm going to wait till him load. So after him, the people them come back in the car, the car load and him still down move the car. I wait for 1 more. He want a full 7-seat over, so I come to him and say, sir, you're almost true when you come out to the car. I go till I go wait for 1 and the car full and then come and him look on it and then walk off. He said my blood cleanse at the right one. Come out to the taxi and I call one in drive. I could have take 150 bus, but I never want to look away. Because when I walk past the bus, people see me and I say, shit, that's a lyric. And I can't walk back and take bus. So the shit that's going to make me look so down my foot. I'm on the in driver right now. I feel like my ketchup gas. I'm gonna eat this, man. I'm so effing proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. I'm so freaking happy I never stopped. I'm so freaking happy I didn't give up. I'm so happy that I still kept pouring in my vision, in my grasp, irrespective of how it looked and the products. You know, from when the lashes haven't been here, we did not have the lashes and people still ordered. Yo, that should make me smile. No, I'm just waiting on the brushes, babes. the brush is going to be next to level shit, and the prices that I have it at, I cannot have it at that price. I really cannot. I'm doing them a disservice by having it at that price. They're friggin' expensive, you know. Flood cleanse, and we can't even put them through customs. They cannot come into the island of Jamaica. Custom cost alone, you know, the weight on that. And God, how much, God only knows how much packs of brushes, how much boxes of brushes, sorry. The weight on that alone, not per box, I cannot manage that. If I forgot credit a custom, I forgot charge, you know, 20 odd grand for one brush set. What the shit is that for compensate for customs cost? No. Afternoon, well gone. I need to fix my face. My face looks like shiny. Can't catch it here. Sorry for the horrible lighting. This phone doesn't door catch doesn't do well with low lighting. My skin is not that bad. My lip is hella itchy, which is good. It means that the thing is finally going away now. So what I do, I'll just be using tea tree oil and garlic. I was going to go to my doctor today, but I didn't bother to go. If this comes up again, then I may have to. But what I'm going to do is the detox. So either today when I go back into Portmore, or tomorrow I'm going to collect my TLC stuff from the lady who I buy from, Auntie Faye, and I recommend you buy from her if you're in Jamaica. If you're abroad, I'm going to leave my TLC link. It still works, and I make money from that link. So I greatly appreciate using that link if you want to shop like me. As I said before, be getting the original anti-guava lemon, so it's an original, a flavored tea, and NutriBurst. But you don't have any NutriBurst, so I'm going to do sea moss, like a month supply of the sea moss. You can go in? Oh. Them put out already?
Probably you can break them down in a smaller ones.
Yeah, but I have makeup, so I have to be called I can pull them here. I can take them out here.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Alright then.
You just pop them in a smaller.
Yeah, but I probably put them on bag or something. Alright then. And how much more? Ricky, you tell me 7,000. I don't know, Ricky, and I got me here. Yes, but the last figure you gave me was 7,000. Ricardo,
what do you how for you collect? They made the old one.
Yeah,
what you feel? This is never grand.
I try. So I'm all at 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5 grand. If I want, we come fighting already.
1, 2, 3,
you want scissors?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, it's like everything now.
Make sure. Just double check. I don't know. I make all kind of stuff. Let's go to the curtain and I can get it or something.
Oh, I bought batteries for the camera that I was going to buy, didn't buy. So now I have camera batteries. Can I borrow one scissors, please? This package from the company, finally, Jesus.
No, I believe in finally.
I know. I can show them this video and be like, guys, I just got it. So this, say guys, I have plans for my skinny guys. So I'll be working with them Reduce, Boost. So I think this has an app as well. So I never used no shit like this before. So we're going to find this out together. Oh my, and I ordered deodorant, certain dry deodorant because of my hyperhidrosis. Wow. And this is my Amazon order and the masks. And I think I ordered a tripod for the camera again that I was gonna buy, but I didn't. Oh my gosh. I prepped for this camera, you guys. See? Only if my phone can, this door catch can use it. Tripod for the camera. This one is not shaded right. Oh, my friend sent me her book, Labor of Love. She sent me her book, you guys. I forgot. She sent me her book. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna be reading. Shit, y'all know I hate reading. I think these are the masks. Yeah, they're the masks. I love. So now that I have my little situation, these masks are going to come in handy. I bought one for me and one for the boys. And they're just like, oh, they're really cheap. They're just like face masks that go over. So I guess I can work with these for looks. So I'm going to do this mask with like my lashes, the foamy lashes. So that's the idea behind that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I finally have my hard drive, which is only a 512, I think I bought. I messed up on the storage, so this might still not be enough. I think I need a 1 tera, and this is the microphone that I bought to use with my iPhone that I had. Sorry, because remember I had an audio issue with that phone. But I don't know if this is a Type-C for iPhone Type-C. I don't know if it's going to work with this Samsung door catch. So it looks like this. The microphone I pin on here, and the mic. Oh no, and it doesn't have any extra attachments. Let me see. It doesn't work, you guys. So I'm going to have to sell this. I was selling a lot of things. Gosh, I'm getting sad because I no longer have an iPhone. I have a door catch. It has like an extra thing for iPhone Type-C. My arms are beat real fast. I'm not crying. And I sell this. I don't know. DM up on Instagram for anything on the wall. So I'll be selling this. If this won't work, I'm going to sell it. I'm going to keep this. Keeping these, obviously. This is, I'm still going to keep this because I still plan on buying the camera. So let's look at the final package from Shades by Gyal. I am so excited. Let me put these away. Let me lock it. Is it locked? Oh, there it is. You guys, I have a tripod. You guys have a tripod. That's so cool. Yay. For the door catch. Yay. Alright, still packing up. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Let's say definitely going to be using this. Okay, good. Alright, so Shades by Gyal, the package I've been waiting for. Use this is as me. Use it. This is a good drop. Me, this is scissors. This is as Oh, baby. This is nice, babe. Sweetie. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. I was like, why is that so heavy? I mean, tissue paper. Oh, and she has her own tissue paper. Shades by Gyal, own tissue paper. Wow, bro. I'm gonna be doing looks and looks. Oh, I'm loud. I am loud. I'm so loud. I mean, yes, way more. And she has a book as well. Everybody alright, I'm yellow night. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped. I won't pull these. I'm not going to pull them. I'm going to save them. I got lip glosses too. Oh, I can't pull all of these. And I can put some of these in my kit. I can work on my kit now, guys, my makeup artist kit. That's the one thing I didn't mention. Oh, and I have glosses. No, I'm not going to be using these glosses. I'm going to use glosses after this gone off my mouth. So I'll just be using the eyeshadow palettes. Oh my gosh, she has her own tissue paper. That's so dope. Baby, I want to be like you. My fur. I want to be like Shades by Gyal. Hey, yo. I'm so proud of her. So these are the palettes. Okay, foundations and stuff. These are pencils, lip stuff, and the other lip stuff. I will not be wearing these lip stuff with this lip. I need a brand new lip, and I don't want to screw these up because I need to be wearing these. So I have Seduction and Pink Kissing, sorry. Seduction and Pink Kissing. And look, her tape has her name. You guys, I'm beaming like this shit is mine. Yo, shop shit. Shop Shades by Gyal. Oh, look, some pull right here, so. You know, this is like I don't pull already. Let us saw what are in there. This is giving Mac vibe, and I'm all for it, babe. Because I'm a Mac bitch. I'm an oldie but goodie. So this is the dark coffee. Woo! foundation stick. Oh, I hope this is my color. This was my color back in the day because I've been using shades by girl. Retexturizing face primer. I finally have a face primer. What's going on here? And then we have the HD foundation. Okay, baby. You have HD. Oh, okay. All right. This is in the color Cool Neutral, and this is in the color C10 Warm Yellow. Okay, so that might be a highlight of some kind. Then the glosses are here. These are wrapped up. Yeah, I'm not gonna put nothing because I have to put them in my lab. Ooh, I am so proud of you, babe. Look it, babe. I've got it, honey. I'm so proud of you. Oh, I can't wait for you to get sales, babe. Guys, if I have discount code, I'm going to post it for you guys, okay? And of course, buy shades by gal. Shop the shit out of her shit, bro. Shop the shit out of her shit. Oh, sweetie. Look it. Can it go down? Oh, I don't know. I mean, I can go down. Look it, baby. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. So I'm using my Chris, your book fell. How could I? I'm so proud of you, babe. Look it. Look, this picture's on your Instagram, baby. I'm so proud of you. It's a new season. It's a new day. Fresh anointing. It's on my way. Season of power and prosperity. It's a new season coming to me. All that is stolen is returned to you 100-fold. Tried in the fire, but you're coming out gold. Coming out gold. Hey, I am going to lead the bag. If I'm honest, which is something I am going to lead the bag. Cut my lip. Sweating and shivering now. You can't see because of the filtering effect on this door couch. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. So I just put up these to sale so you guys won't have a chance to buy them. These are for me and the boys. Maybe take some cool pictures of these. And thank you to everybody who have purchased and supported Homie. The lashes are the cheapest thing. If you ever want to know how to support me, definitely purchase a lash. That's fine. Yeah, so thank you to everybody who actually purchased the belts, the lashes. I felt so good shipping off 8 pairs of lashes to one individual. I'm like, babe, you done the stock? And she's like, so yeah, and I just want you guys to remember. Hold on, I'm trying to cut you off.
Bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. We bad though, that cash flow. We come up, we pass go. We get cash, then spend cash. Don't like that, kiss my ass. We been stunned, you been front. You want this, you get none. You want this, then earn it. Ain't f***ing unless I get some. I'm bad though, no bad hoe. Just a bad bitch with a bad flow. And a green on green on green state of mind. And I'm done dealing with these. So y'all, all of y'all. If y'all don't like me, eat me. I've been running game and I do it all the same until y'all all stop speaking. We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad.
Thank you. Definitely use their business as my own place of work and leisure. Oh, let me put my phone to charge right here. My back hurts. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm waiting. Hopefully I get these sold so I can have some fun stuff back over. Truckers Cafe. Truckers Cafe. I feel so bougie with my new tripod, you guys. Come on. Oh. Hi.
We're not your turn. What's the total estimate? I'll look for the extra graphics. I'll go extra. I think you should. You sure want to get more to the back? No. Because I'll get, when I get back. No.
Hi, yeah, I've never been here before. I ordered in here, yes. It smells small lunches. Jesus, I'm gonna eat all the food and alright then. What's the price? Do you mind asking? More on barbecue with vegetable and rice. I can get more of it. Oh shit. Alright then. Yeah, and I can sit down outside or just stay in here.
Can I sit outside?
More go up on the other side. Can do that?
Yeah.
Okay,
I like it, bro.
Nice.
I think that's weird, right?
How much? Oh, what's the name? Tiffania. What? Tiffania.
Yeah, so this is from.
You do all friendship with the bit, that's where you go. No?
Sorry.
Go all only one time or you have a as you go, eat as I go, no?
Okay.
You cannot 15
one next time.
Like with the caramel and the cold and the ice and the 66 and all that too? And breast uneven? Yeah. Ooh, I'm never gonna find a like you. So I'm at Trotter's Cafe in New Kingston, right where the shipping place I use. That's a them there, but you never know say other color I say my bits. I don't know, man, but the other Barbie fry. I love Barbie fry. There's a lot of food. I can't eat off so much food, you guys. And some may have herpes. So I'm gonna eat this for the next 3 days. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It just tastes like real food, and it tastes nowhere not at all. Not unusual, more and doodle. Bomba, the milk. Jesus Christ. I know my lactose intolerant. I can't shit in a public place and I will. That's why I can't. I will. I can't. I'm not try change. I'm try be a decent entrepreneur. No man, no one do the blood cleanse. So the bomb bodies. No shit. Hey, you got to forgive me. No man, no. God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Holy Spirit, for drinking the rotted milk. I feel like someone punished me.
I feel like Joe say you would be an idiot. Why the truth that? Joe say, what all I freak you go through? You really got to take up in me, be an idiot. Mary, when am I again? Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary almost feel my food. Papa want to do them stop eat. Green chunks. I wish I had vegetables. Yeah. Good fun.
And Janik is screaming. Oh, Janik, open up again. Oh, don't cry, Janik. I'm gonna cry. Janik, please. Oh, please don't cry. I'm gonna cry. Oh, I'm gonna say me an idiot, Janik. Yeah, totally an idiot. It's so nice to meet you, babe.
You're so
Janik. Mr. Janik will just buy your food. Crosses, you ever eat from the side?
No.
Food poison. Don't let me tell you, Janik. Food poison. I forgot to talk to the chef. I'm in there now 45 minutes. You can't get up, Janik.
Oh, God.
Maybe I'm not the one, Janik. She's not the one. It's so nice to meet you, Janik. It's so nice. It's nice to meet you, Janik. Nice to meet you. And you're there on Instagram? Yeah. DM me, please, so that I can follow you, yeah? Alright, baby. Janik, bye, babe. Janik, I'm belly hair around here. I can't answer at it, Claude. I have to dash with this. My belly really hurt me. Real bad. I should not be in so much freaking pain. I forgot to talk to the chef. Dark 45 minutes? That's excuse my language. Come on, public toilet? No, I'm afraid I'm yard naked. I want bed now, you know? If I do this so long, I just want bed. Hello? Mama, I offer nuggets with the rice. Mama, I'm say about
a couple more shots into him. Oh, what we're gonna do it, baby! I'm gonna need you guys to leave a like right now in this video and subscribe so that way you get this. We're gonna put a piston behind him, and actually I don't want them to fall. I do not want it to fall over there, so let's go ahead and encase it. We have a lot of different items over here.
You want to have orange juice? Oh. Which one?
You can't tame a dragon unless you're wearing fire merch. That's rule number 1, guys. Come on. Plus, I mean, come on. It's the original fire logo. I'm missing a beacon. There we go. I actually just misplaced in my inventory. Now we are looking like $1 million late. Sheep over here in my sheep pen. Just for this momentous occasion, I know guys. I'm going to leave. Don't worry. I'm going to leave these two of you alive. That way we can bring you up later so you'll have more friends again. But for now, I must take your mutton and try to feed my baby dragon folks. He is very angry for some reason. I just don't know why. Alright, here we go. Okay, so we ate the mutton and then still threw me off. Alright, they're dragons. They don't just eat like whatever they want. I mean, they're dragons, but maybe he's just got more refined tastes. I mean, he kind of is my son. I did spawn him into this world, so...
Doesn't mind to pull this off and spill the entire cereal.
So, and this will give you mutton on a stick.
You ain't never seen nothing like this. Never thought it'd be so enticing. Oh, it'll pull you in with a tight grip. Shines like a diamond, bright when the light hits. Oh, shift within your senses, lifting you up to a different dimension. You see it, you feel it, it grabs your attention. Open your eyelids, you've never seen anything like this. Got your eyes open wide and you're staring. Never seen anything like this. Oh, the wonder you feel, no comparing. Never seen anything like this. Never seen anything like this. Never seen anything like this. You can feel the pull of gravitation.